Welcome back to my channel, family. It's your boy Money Mail Jr. Um, I'm here talking to you all about credit. Once again, credit cards. So I know I spoke to you all about secure credit cards and things like that. So I'm just gonna break it down a little bit more for you all. I received some questions about people who didn't really understand. So I'm gonna just try to shine some light on it. All right. So in my opinion, I believe people should have three credit cards at the most. Depending on what you're really trying to do, there's only one of two things that you're trying to do in the credit game anyway. And that's one, to improve your credit score, and that's two, to improve the amount of credit that's available to you. So when doing one or the other, um, you have to really know in the beginning what you want to do, because when you're trying to improve your credit score, it's different than trying to acquire mass amounts of credit. Because when you're trying to acquire mass amounts of credit, you're going to initially hurt your credit score, because every credit line you add on to your credit is going to lower your credit score in the beginning. All right, but here we go. All right, so just like I explained to y'all, your first credit card should be your credit card that you're never going to close. So if you have bad credit and you cannot get a credit card that you tried in the past or whatnot, I'll say aim to get a secure credit card. This is what you want right here. Secure credit card. This is your first card. The amount that they give you or approve you for to put on the card, if you do 300, 500, 1,000, at the end of the day, none of that matter. It does not matter 1% at all. So don't be in your feelings or feel some type of way if you only have a $300 credit limit, $500 credit limit. What you want is to use this as the tool and vehicle to get you to this credit score right here, 750. A lot of people ask me, from the time they apply for their secure credit card or that base credit card that they're going to have for life, when should they apply for the next credit card? My rule of thumb is 750. I say 750 because 750 is the lowest credit score you need to be included into the Excellent Credit Club. And so when you go to apply for this Visa, MasterCard, American Express, whatever you go for, and you have a 750, I want to say 99% of the time you're going to get that card, whatever card you're going for. And then one of the perks is not only will you get the card you're going for, you're also going to get a larger limit. And you're going to get some of the best interest rates. You're not going to be paying that 21%, that 18% that you was paying back right here. See, because this is just the foundation. This is what I like to call your financial soil. When you get this card, the next step is just working on becoming debt free, lowering your debts and things. So this right here plays into the financial soil, your vitamins, your backbone, your structure right here. So when you go here, your next credit card, 75, meant 750. If you have anything under 750, do not apply for any more credit. Don't apply for no car loan. Don't apply for no bank loan. Don't apply for no credit card. Don't apply for no home loan. They'll tell you need 680 to get the best, whatever. My opinion, 750. This is what you want. Now, if you gotta get a house and that's what you've been, that's your prerogative. 750 to apply for anything else after you receive your secure credit card or your base credit card that you have. Once you have 750, you apply for this card, you're going to get the best rates available, hands down. Don't let no one tell you, oh, you can apply for it with a 730. You can apply for it with a 720. You can apply for it with a 700. We know you can apply for it. We know you can possibly get it, but that's not what you're trying to do. You're trying to put yourself or your loved one, whoever you're doing it for, in the best position possible when it comes to your credit. So now, this one right here, this is your third credit card. I say three is my max. Put it like that. Personal credit cards. Business and whatever, you can go ahead and keep doing your thing. Or if you want to interchange credit cards, switch them out or whatever, that's up to you too. So 800. The reason I have this 800 here is for your third credit card. You want to have at least an 800 credit score, and you want to be making the most money that you've made from the past until right now in the present. Me personally, I hit six figures to apply for this card. When I had 800, I had an 8, I think 20, 817, whatever. And I applied for my third card right here. I say that it's because now this will be your money card. This will be your boss card. With that 800 credit score, you just about likely could get any card out there that does not require a monetary level that you at, like the Chase card, the American Express Black card, those type of things. So you'll have an 800 credit score. You'll be making the most money you've made in your life. Then you apply for this card. Because not only now you have that boss card with that 6-figure limit on it, or that $50,000 limit on it, whatever, depending on what card you get, you have it at a great rate. Nothing hurts worse than buying something with a credit card, forgetting to pay the bill, and then you get hit with 20-something% interest rate. Come on. So that's my philosophy on the credit cards. Any questions, comments, concerns, or whatever, leave it in the comments. I answer and respond to everything. If this gave you any type of value, or you know someone who's thinking about getting a credit card, or you have a credit card, or you just purchased your and you need extra clarification and going about the steps or how it pertains to your credit score, whatever, drop me a comment. I'm going to respond to you. I'm going to get at you, and share this video with your younger siblings, your friends, your family who are thinking about getting a credit card, because everyone should be informed about the decisions that they make. And I know credit is very elusive. So these are the steps you want to go through. Secure a credit card. Now this is your credit messed up. Secure a credit card. Then after you get the 750, apply for the credit card that you want, a Chase, any other the good credit cards. After you get to 800, then you apply for your boss credit card. But also, just to let you know, every time you apply for these credit lines, your credit score will take a hit. That's why I said in the beginning of the video, you have to know what you want to do and go on between the avenues. You want to improve your credit score, or you want to improve the amount of credit that's available to you. So you figure that out in the beginning, and then you start to move. So, like it, subscribe, leave a comment.